Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about clearing app data on your Android phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your settings menu. So just scroll up on your home screen and then select settings. Select the apps button. And then you want to go and show or list out all of your apps. So go ahead and see all of your apps and then either find it in this list or you can click on the little magnifying glass icon in the top to go search for it. And then once you find the app in question, go ahead and select it. And then you want to select the storage and cache button. So if you just want to clear the cache, you can just select clear cache. Otherwise, you can also click on the clear storage button as well. And you can see that the app's data, including files and settings, will be permanently deleted from this device. Select delete, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.